Hi everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet. Today I'll be showing you how to make a lovely crochet leaf earring pattern. This simple yet elegant design is perfect for adding a natural handmade touch to any outfit. Let's get started. We will start with a slip knot, so wrap the yarn around your index finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. Now we have our slip knot. Insert the hook into the slip knot and we'll get ready with the foundation. In the foundation we need to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. After that we are going to start with the round 1. There we need to skip the first chain and go into the second chain and complete a single crochet. So we need to work 10 single crochets starting from the second chain here. So we will go into the second chain first, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. We need to complete another 9 single crochets. So another single crochet into the next chain here. Now we have completed 2 single crochets. This is the third one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now we are left with 1 chain in the foundation here. There we need to work 3 single crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. All 3 stitches in the last chain. And then we are going to work on the other side like this, and we will go into the very first chain here and work a single crochet. Starting from here we are going to work up to 9 single crochets. Work over this tail so that you don't have to worry about hiding it at the end. This is going to be the second single crochet into the next stitch. This is the third single crochet into the stitch after that. Like that we will continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And then I'm going to cut this little piece of tail carefully like this, and we will get started with the second round. In the second round, chain 1 and turn your work to start, and then we are going to go into the second chain and work a single crochet, but we need to go into the back loop of the work. So you can see there we have 2 loops. We need to go into this back loop only and create single crochets up to the top. So we will go into the back loop of the first stitch here and work a single crochet. This is the first single crochet. Again go into the back loop of the second stitch and create the second single crochet. This is the third single crochet into the back loop of the third stitch. Like that we will continue. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then go into the top stitch here. There we need to work 3 single crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to go into the other side of the work and work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 9 back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we have completed the second round, and then we will start with round 3. There we need to chain 1 and turn the work to start with the round like this, and then go into the back loops and work 1 single crochet into each one of the next 10 back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. And then work 3 single crochets into the back loop of the top stitch here. 1, 2 and 3. And then into the other side, work 1 single crochet into each one of the 9 back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we have completed the round there as well. We will start with round 4. Just repeat the pattern, chain 1, turn your work, and we will work 1 single crochet into each one of the back loops starting from the second chain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Again work 3 single crochets into the back loop of the top stitch. 1, 2 and 3. Then move into the other side. There we need to work 9 single crochets into the back loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. This is what we have completed so far, and this is the pattern we need to repeat again and again. Now if you look at the green leaf here, from the tip at the center, 1 2 3 4 5 6 tips are there. From the center tip, 1 2 3 4 5 6 tips are there on the other side as well. So this leaf is symmetrical, so we need to make the leaf symmetrical. I will show you how to do that. We will start from this tip here and then continue until we get 6 tips from each side, starting from the center tip here. So we will continue to work a few more rows until we have 6 tips in each side. We need to just repeat the same pattern again and again. When you go up, you need to work 10 single crochets into the back loops and 3 single crochets at the top. After that, come down the work by working 9 back loop single crochets. So when you go up, 10 single crochets, at the top 3 single crochets, and go down 9 single crochets. Just repeat the pattern. This is the end of round 5. We will get started with round 6. Chain 1, turn the work, 10 single crochets up to the top. Now 3 single crochets at the top, and then go down and work 9 single crochets into the back loops. Like so. And this is the end of round 6, and we will get started with round 7. 10 single crochets up to the top. Three single crochets at the top, and then 9 single crochets into the other side like this. Just remember to work only to the back loop and continue. Now we will get started with round 8. Chain 1, turn the work, 10 back loop single crochets up to the top. Three single crochets at the top, 1 2 3, and again 9 single crochets all the way down. Again start with round 9. Chain 1, turn the work. Work 10 single crochets up to the top, only to the back loops. Now 3 single crochets at the top, and then 9 single crochets all the way down. Now if you look at your work, from the center tip here, 1 2 3 4 5 tips are there on this side, 1 2 3 4 5 6 tips are there on the other side, so that the leaf is not symmetrical. We need to make sure that we have 6 tips in each side. So what we need to do is just continue one more round so that we will have 6 tips in both the sides. So we will continue and see. Chain 1, turn the work, and work 10 single crochets into the back loops up to the top. And then work 3 single crochets at the top stitch. and work one single crochet into each one of the next 9 back loops all the way down. Now I have completed the round. Now you can see from here we have 6 tips on this side and 6 tips on the other side as well, so that the leaf is symmetrical. So this is where we are going to stop. Chain 1, leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. And then we can use the yarn needle to hide the tail of the work. And this is what we have completed. And this is the smaller leaf I have completed by using the embroidery thread. And then we will see how to put all these pieces together to complete the earring. I'm going to attach the jump rings first, the 6mm jump ring first, and then I'm going to slide the 3mm jump ring into that and secure. After that, open the 3mm jump ring using the pliers and slide the hook ear wires in, and then secure that again with the pliers. With that we have completed the first earring. Just repeat the process and complete the second earring as well. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these crochet leaf earrings with me. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more creative crochet tutorials. If you make these earrings, tag me with #HiruHandmadeCrochet so I can see your beautiful work. And for exclusive patterns, check out my Patreon. See you in the next video.